Welcome to the dotnet Excel Library tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel document and an Excel worksheet to an HTML file using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. I will begin by opening an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I have already installed the Syncfusion XlsIO .NET Core package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library, check the video link in the card above or the description below. First, I will show you how to convert an entire Excel document to an HTML file. Before proceeding, let me show you how this will be implemented in the application. When I click this button, the converted HTML file will be downloaded. First, I open the index.cs HTML file and remove the existing code. Then, add a button to convert the document to HTML. To define its event handler, I navigate to the Home Controller class and import the required namespace. Next, I define the document to HTML method with action result as the return type. Inside this method, I initialize an instance of Excel Engine and create an iApplication instance using it. Then, I set the default Excel version and create a file stream instance to open the existing Excel file with the appropriate file options. Next, create a workbook instance and pass the file stream to it. Next, I create a memory stream and save the document using the Save as HTML method. Finally, I set the stream position to the beginning and return the file to the browser for download, specifying the file stream, content type, and file name. I save and run the application. When I click the button, the HTML file will be downloaded. As you can see, the entire Excel document has been converted into an HTML file. Now, let me show you how to convert a specific Excel worksheet to HTML. This is an Excel document, and I will convert only the first worksheet into an HTML file. I begin by adding the Worksheet to HTML button and defining the action method with action result as the return type. I use the code snippet from the previous method with a few adjustments. I create an instance of iWorksheet to extract only the first worksheet from the Excel document and save it using the Save as HTML method. This ensures that only the content of the selected worksheet is converted to HTML. I will also update the file name to indicate that it contains the worksheet data in HTML format. When I click the button, the HTML file will be downloaded. As you can see, the first worksheet of the Excel document has been converted to an HTML document. That's a wrap. In this video, I have shown you how to convert an Excel document and an Excel worksheet to an HTML file using the Syncfusion .NET Excel Library. You can download a working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries through our community license. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.